Take a look at this expression, a fraction nested inside another fraction. It is often the first thing in a math textbook that makes a student want to stop and walk away. By the end of this video, you will dismantle this entire problem using 3 specific rules. To follow along, grab a pencil and some scratch paper. Success here only requires the ability to add basic fractions by finding the lowest common multiple. We are building a system for handling these stacked expressions, providing a clear path through the math so you always know how to begin. Let's look at the first rule. Rule number 1 is for multiplication. Multiply straight across. Unlike addition, finding a common denominator here is unnecessary and adds extra work. This reference image shows how direct the process is. In example 1, to multiply 2/3 by 5/7, you multiply the numerators, 2 times 5, to get 10. Then multiply the denominators, 3 times 7, to get 21. This approach works until you encounter mixed numbers. Multiplying a whole number and a fraction at the same time will lead to an incorrect result. Look at example 2. Before multiplying, convert the mixed number, 1 and 1/4, into the improper fraction 5/4. Now apply Rule 1. Step 2 shows multiplying 5/4 by 2/5, straight across. This gives 10/20. Finally, Step 3 shows reducing the fraction by 10, giving 1/2. Multiplication is the most direct operation in your toolkit, provided you always convert mixed numbers into improper fractions first. Division is handled by using the reciprocal. Dividing by a fraction is the same operation as multiplying by its inverse. You simply swap the positions of the numerator and denominator. This leads to Rule 2. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction upside down. Let's apply this in example 1, dividing 3/4 by 2/3. We keep 3/4, change the symbol to multiplication, and flip 2/3 to 3/2. Multiplying straight across gives 9/8. This improper fraction converts to the final answer, 1 and 1/8. This keep, change, flip tool turns every division problem into a basic multiplication task. Complex fractions are simply fractions stacked within other fractions. To process these, look for the central largest dividing line, the main fraction bar. Rule 3 is the horizontal rewrite. The main fraction bar functions as a standard division symbol. By rewriting the vertical stack horizontally, the structure becomes easier to read. Once the problem is horizontal, apply Rule 2. Keep the 2/3, change to multiplication, and flip the 4/5 into 5/4. Now multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 4 is 12. 10/12 simplifies down to 5/6. The horizontal rewrite removes the visual complexity of the vertical stack, making it a familiar division problem. Now we return to the problem from the beginning, 1/2 plus 1/3 over 3/4. We begin by resolving the nested addition in the numerator. Step 1 uses the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, 6. Adding 3/6 and 2/6 gives us 5/6. In Step 2, we substitute that result back into the top of the stack, creating a standard complex fraction. Now apply Rule 3 to rewrite the stack horizontally as 5/6 divided by 3/4. Then apply Rule 2 to change it to 5/6 times 4/3. Finally, Rule 1. Multiply straight across for 20 over 18. This reduces to 10/9, or 1 and 1/9. By isolating the nested arithmetic first, high-density expressions become manageable steps. Take a moment to look at the completed problem. You navigated a multi-level structure that appeared quite difficult just a few minutes ago. The process relied on 3 tools: multiply straight across, keep, change, flip, and the horizontal rewrite. Use your scratch paper to create your own complex fraction. Then use these steps to systematically dismantle it. Success in advanced operations comes from using a few reliable tools to deconstruct structural complexity.